Maintaining a healthy diet offers numerous benefits for your body and overall well-being. Heart health overall include your diet, plenty of vegetables, fruit, and whole grains. Foods high. Fiber foods also play a crucial role in increasing consumption of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Foods to eat for maintaining heart health by improving blood cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity, improved gut health. You can also try eating slowly and drinking plenty of water and consuming fiber-rich foods, choosing avocado, apples. This food supports a healthy gut microbiome, which affects digestion and overall health, and eating for limit processed foods. Weight loss. Eat for balanced diet. Eat a variety of foods that are rich in nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Dehydration can make it easy to confuse thirst with hunger. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night on a regular basis.